Have you ever had a thought, I'm not good enough? And the voice inside your head goes, yup, that's facts. You make one mistake and your brain goes, that's it, case closed, not good enough forever. Relax, even Netflix gives a bad show a second season. Don't treat your thoughts as facts, treat them as hypotheses. And I'm gonna teach you 3 simple strategies to challenge your thought and develop a well-balanced thoughts. The first method to challenge your thought is be specific. So ask yourself this question. What is specifically I'm not good enough? What happened? So let's see in that situation, you made a mistake in your presentation. Notice what your brain did, turning one moment into I'm not good enough, an identity. So how do you create a balanced thought? Be more specific. And instead of saying to yourself, I'm not good enough, I made a mistake in my presentation. That's the way you develop a balanced thought. A second method I'll teach you to challenge your negative thought is called examine the evidence. Just like in the court system, this is where you want to be the best defense lawyer to your negative thoughts. You know, some good defense lawyer can even get criminal off the hook for the crime that they committed. But the least we can do is to challenge or distort the thought. So how this works? Here's how it works. So what's the claim? I'm not good enough. Their honor. What's the evidence against this belief? The evidence is I made a mistake in presentation. What's the evidence against this? I show up, I prepare, and I succeeded a lot in the past. Their honor. Therefore, one mistake does not equate not good enough. So considering all these evidence into consideration, what would be a balanced thought to have instead? A balanced thought would be, I made a mistake, but I learned from my mistake, and I've succeeded a lot in the past. Here's one more final method that I'll teach you to challenge your negative thought and have a healthier relationship with your thought. It's called define the term. What does that even good enough mean? Does it mean good enough for who? For what? And what is standard? If we can't define a term, why do we give ourselves such a harsh label? Not good enough. I'm a failure. I'm a bad mom. I'm a bad dad. So instead of giving ourselves a harsh label, use one of these 3 methods. Be specific exactly. Like I made a mistake in presentation, or I did this wrong. I have some limitation, and I also have a lot of strength. That is how you develop a well-balanced thought. So it's better to use these 3 methods in order to challenge these negative thoughts and develop a well-balanced thoughts instead. In the next video, I'll talk about one of thinking style that can actually increase the chance of depression and how can you break from that.